Good day everyone, my name is Marinelli Sunga. Today I'm going to report about respiratory system. Respiratory system is a series of organs that works together to move oxygen into the body and remove carbon dioxide. It also helps protect the body from germs and harmful particles. The respiratory system also works with the circulatory deliver oxygen and nutrients to the body cells. Here are 20 medical terms of respiratory system. Diagnostic terms: dyspnea, orthopnea, tachypnea, bradypnea, hypoxia. Disease and condition: pneumonia, asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, emphysema, bronchitis. Anatomy and physiology: alveolitis, pleurisy, tracheitis, bronchiolitis, pulmonary embolism, PE. Procedure and treatments: intubation, mechanical ventilation, thoracentesis, pulmonary function test, PFT, oxygen therapy. Here are the aging process of the respiratory system. Structural changes: lung tissue loss, weakening of respiratory muscle, chest wall stiffness, tracheal and bronchial stiffness. Functional changes: decreased lung elasticity, reduced lung volume, impaired gas exchange, decreased cough reflex, increased residual volume. Physiological changes: decreased oxygen levels, increased dead space ventilation, impaired regulation of breathing, decreased exercise tolerance. Immunological changes: weakened immune response, increased inflammation, chronic low, imbalance cytokine productions. Age-related respiratory disease: chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, pneumonia, lung cancer, sleep apnea, pulmonary embolism. Preventive measures: regular exercise, smoking cessation, vaccination, healthy diet, adequate sleep. Treatment and management: pulmonary rehabilitation, oxygen therapy, medication, lung volume reduction surgery, lung transplantations. How to take care of the respiratory system: exercise regularly, avoid eating fast food, stay hydrated, avoid smoking. Additional tips: get enough sleep, 7 to 8 hours per night. Manage allergies, identify and avoid triggers. Avoid strong chemical cleaning supplies, paint fumes. Stay physically active, regular exercise, strengthen lungs. Consult your doctor or healthcare providers before starting any new exercise or dietary regimen, especially if you have pre-existing respiratory conditions. And that's all. Thank you. Again, my name is Marinelli Sunga, and with my partner Rubilin Manas for layout of PowerPoint. And now let's proceed to the next system, which is urinary system, reported by Rogie May Valderrama and James Patrick Sisson. Thank you.